Okay, here we have this Merida road bike. Do you see a problem? Look, these are the chain rollers. I can put my fingernail down the side of that easily, probably twice or 3 times over. There's about 1.5 mil gap. So that's weeble wobbling around on the chain. Yeah. I haven't checked if the chain stretch, but you get the idea. Extremely worn out chain. Like, damn. Chainring's still alright for now, but getting there. Getting kind of sharky. Not quite though. They're alright at the moment, but yeah. Damn. Thank you for watching. Make sure you replace your chains, people. That's definitely a worn out chain. You don't need a tutorial to tell you that's a worn out chain. How to check for a worn out chain? Well, if it looks like that, it's worn out. So check your road bike chains and your mountain bike chains. Any kind of chains. Thank you for watching.